Introducing Dr. Hal Blatman, a medical visionary and founder of the Blatman Method and the Blatman Health Institute and Wellness Center, who's changing the game when it comes to your health.
The idea is to demystify your questions and tell you the truth about what medicine really is. Because medicine is not what we were taught, especially if you have pain. Pain is definitely not what we were taught.
Dr. Blatman is not your ordinary doctor. He's a medical expert who's incredibly knowledgeable, witty, and has a passion for helping people truly understand their health. His talks are not just informative, they're eye-opening. Dr. Blatman keeps his audience engaged with his unique blend of humor and cutting-edge insights into holistic health.
The second is regenerative medicine. You know, you can regrow cartilage in a worn-out knee. You can regrow a rotator cuff tendon. You can restore your brain from dementia, your heart from heart failure. So, all about putting the body back together, biohacking your physiology to get it to put you back together, because really, you're the only one who can put you together. You just don't know how to do it without some help.
His interactive approach means your questions are not just welcome, they're encouraged. You'll leave with a renewed sense of empowerment over your health.
You're going to find that this is pretty tender.
Oh, yeah.
The wound that created that is right here. Feel how sore this is. I can push here and you don't care, but if I push right there, that hurts. You got that wound, you were 6 years old, holding on the monkey bars for dear life, afraid to let go and drop to the sand. This makes a lot of your hand pain. All you got to do is unkink that. Now check your hand out and see if it feels better.
That was a little better. Yeah.
A little better.
Yeah.
So all you've got to do is more of that.
So I have been diagnosed with RA for about 13 years now, and what Dr. Blatman did was he massaged out my tendons in my arms, and that made like an immediate relief of some of the pain in the foot and the hand, and that was really neat to see because it's difficult for me to feel immediate relief with anything. I was expecting to learn something from the luncheon today, and what I walked away with most importantly was an appointment with Dr. Blatman, and excited to see what happens next.
Dr. Blatman believes in holistic health, getting to the root of the problem rather than just masking the symptoms. He gets to know each patient and helps the body heal from within, making him a leading expert in treating conditions once thought not possible.
And then the third thing is, once you understand how a biology loses resilience, and you know how to biohack the physiology to get it to put itself back together, now you can treat Lyme, mold, COVID, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, and we also treat cancer. I taught that holistic means you're working from the awareness that you don't fix anything. The body fixes itself, and your job is to facilitate that process. And then your job is to help the body transition where it can't do it on its own to get over the hump of something. I take the best of everything and put it together in one place. So I will use pharmaceutical drugs. I will use bioidentical hormones. I will use pain drugs. I will recommend medical marijuana. I'm part of that system, but I won't use the things that are harmful, and I'll get you off the drugs that don't work and show you a better way.
There is so much information that we have all been taught as a society is the right way to think about diet, nutrition, pain, medicine, medical care, and it's mistaken. It's not up to date with what science actually shows us, what we have learned, and what we innately know as humans is what's good for our bodies. And Dr. Blatman teaches us about nutrition, what causes pain, where does it really come from, and turns what most of us have been taught on its head and teaches us how we're really in control and can be in control of our physical experience and how we live, how we can thrive. I want somebody watching this video to gain knowledge about their body and what can actually be done to help them heal and to experience more thriving and vitality in their life, even to the possibility of healing dementia.
Are you ready to transform your health journey? The time is now to take your first step towards a healthier you. Hope and healing starts here. Don't live with pain any longer. Call Dr. Blatman today in our Cincinnati or Manhattan office. If you have an event or gathering, Dr. Blatman is available to inspire and educate your audience. Visit his website for a wealth of information on his services, expertise, and upcoming talks. For more information, visit BlatmanHealthAndWellness.com.